Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your Wix website URL. So of course, just make sure that you're logged into your Wix account. Then next is head over to manage.wix.com/account/websites. You will then be redirected to your sites page wherein you can see a list of your websites. Then all you have to do is just choose the website that you want to edit the URL. Say this for example. The next thing you have to do is click on the search bar, then start searching name. Then from the list of tools and settings, just choose rename site. Now this will only work if you're done with the setup processes. So make sure that you do that first before you can change your Wix URL. So from here, you can edit your site name, and in the site address or URL section, this is where you can change your Wix URL. So our URL or website is on free plan. So this is how it looks like. It has the Wix site on it, and the thing that we can change here is the last part of the URL. Say, for example, we're going to change it. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!